In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your windshield wiper blades on your Kia Soul. They're located on your windshield. Make sure you measure your blade, make sure it's the same length to start. Make sure you have the right blade on the right side. This looks good. Next, this one has a push-in thing, so you're going to push back on this with a screwdriver or your finger and pull down like that. You can flip this piece up and allow it to come out like that. Now you're going to slide the new blade in. Make sure you hear the click like that. And when you're done, you can take off this little protector for the blade. Lower your blade down gently and do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.